I have loved what Cosmetic Surgery Forum has turned into over the years. My vision was that we would have a conference that people could go to, and it would be just like they were in medical school or in their residency when they were discussing things, and they were able to get that back and forth that made people have a stimulating conversation and learn.
Cosmetic Surgery Forum has become a bigger and bigger event every year.
Simply said, it is not the same old, same old.
It's the way that cosmetic surgery and cosmetic dermatology should be.
It's not so large where you can actually get a little bit of commentary.
Every year it continues to improve.
I think this year's conference has been the best yet. As a first-year resident, it's very good to know what my future is going to be and what my practice is going to be like, so I thought it was a great year.
The fact that we have so much time for one-on-one with faculty, for actual observation, not on a video screen, but to be side-by-side, ask questions, and the interaction, I think, is probably extremely unique because it's just the right size.
You have experts in the field here that Dr. Schlesinger attracts from all over America, and I think one of the greatest advantages is all the live demos.
I think it's really more the interactive component. I think that's a very valuable segment, and the audience really is encouraged to interact with the speakers, and probably as much or more than any meeting I've seen.
Year after year, I like to come back because of the selection of speakers that really bring exciting, new, and different ways of thinking on how we practice medicine.
This is just a fantastic meeting, and Joel always does a great job and has a fantastic staff who streamlines everything that's here. The event is just top-notch.
I've really just been overwhelmed by the warmth and kind of the intimacy of this conference and the support for people who want to pursue this as a career.
I think the best part of the meeting is the interactive sessions and the trainings. I think certainly personally, me being from MERS Aesthetics, the injection sessions were phenomenal.
So many wonderful speakers, and it is a really open forum. It really encourages conversation amongst colleagues. I learn something every single year that I come.
There's so many pearls per minute. It definitely is one of my favorite meetings.
This meeting has quickly become one of my favorite meetings of the year.
The number of topics covered, the succinctness with which they're covered, the importance. I take away more pearls and I probably get more out of this meeting than I do from any other meeting that I've been in.
What keeps me coming back is the fact that every single year at Cosmetic Surgery Forum, I learn more, I gain new friends, new contacts, and it's just a wonderful conference.
I attend this meeting because it's a meeting where I feel I can add to the discussion, but I can also gain from the discussion.
We just finished a session on tissue tightening, and there is a wide range of opinions whether you should give painkillers to allow people to get through the procedure easier, or if you should change the setting so that patients don't need the painkillers. These are things that I do in my office every single day, and it makes me rethink the things that I do and see if there are better options out there.
I come back because, like I said, I think it's the only place where I pick up pearls that I can't really read in the journals or anywhere else. It's unique in that sense.
And the unique methodology of having these didactic discussions with those on the podium is a very good system for making sure we get the maximum amount of information that we can use in our practices as well as in our areas of research.
This is a very unique forum in the fact that you actually have interaction with all the panelists, with the industry leaders, and there's nothing else that's like this in the world so far.
So there's a huge social part of it, but honestly, I learn so much. I teach a lot, but I learn so much more than I teach, and it all adds up to a great time in Vegas.
It's just the people, it's just the whole feeling. That's what I like about it. It's warm, it's open, it's small, it's fun. It's Vegas.
It's exciting, and it's also very interesting and quite a bit of fun. So we'd love to have you join us next year. Thank you.